Coppell homeowners know that Texas weather can be unpredictable. From hot, humid summers to sudden rainstorms and cooler winter spells, these seasonal shifts put your home's comfort and efficiency to the test. While windows and insulation often get the spotlight in energy efficiency discussions, doors play just as critical a role. Upgrading to weatherproof doors can make a noticeable difference in protecting your home, reducing energy bills, and enhancing comfort year-round. Keeping out drafts and moisture. One of the most common complaints about older doors is that they let in drafts. Small gaps around the frame or worn-out weather stripping can allow hot or cold air to seep inside, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. In Coppell's hot summers, this means higher cooling bills, while in winter, it leads to uncomfortable chills. Weatherproof doors are designed with advanced sealing technologies, preventing air leaks and keeping your indoor environment consistent. They also block rain and humidity from entering, protecting your home from potential moisture damage and mold growth. Lowering energy bills. Every time your air conditioning or heating system kicks on because of leaks around a door, you're spending money unnecessarily. Over time, those small inefficiencies add up to significant costs. By installing weatherproof doors, you create a stronger barrier between your home and the outdoors. Energy-efficient materials like insulated fiberglass or steel, combined with high-quality seals, help reduce heat transfer. In Coppell's climate, where summers are long and energy use is high, these doors can lead to noticeable monthly savings on utility bills. Enhancing comfort in every season. Weatherproof doors don't just save money, they also improve daily comfort. During the summer, they keep cool air inside, preventing rooms near entryways from feeling warmer than the rest of the house. In winter, they block cold drafts, ensuring even heating throughout your home. For families in Coppell, where the weather can swing quickly between warm afternoons and chilly evenings, the ability to maintain consistent indoor temperatures makes a big difference in everyday living. Increasing home durability. Moisture, heat, and drafts don't just impact comfort, they can also damage your home over time. Old or poorly fitted doors may allow rainwater to seep into walls and flooring, leading to costly repairs. Weatherproof doors are built with durable materials and finishes that resist warping, rotting, and rust, even in Texas's fluctuating climate. By choosing the right door, you're not just upgrading your entryway, you're protecting your home's structure and longevity. Boosting curb appeal and value. Functionality aside, weatherproof doors also enhance the look of your home. With a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes available, you don't have to sacrifice design for performance. Whether you prefer a sleek modern entry or a traditional wood look finish, you can find a weatherproof option that elevates your home's curb appeal. For homeowners thinking about selling in the future, this upgrade is especially valuable. Buyers in Coppell are drawn to homes with modern, energy-efficient features, making weatherproof doors an attractive selling point. Final thoughts. In Coppell's climate, where seasonal shifts bring a mix of heat, humidity, and cold spells, weatherproof doors are more than just a luxury, they're a necessity. They keep your home comfortable, protect against drafts and moisture, reduce energy bills, and add lasting value. If your current doors show signs of wear, drafts, or poor sealing, it may be time to consider a replacement. By investing in professional installation and high-quality weatherproof doors, you'll enjoy peace of mind knowing your home is ready to handle whatever the Texas weather brings.